Hello everyone, welcome you on today's webinar New Commissions and Marketing Support for Resco Partners, which will be presented by me, Petra Florisova, and my colleague Filip Fejdi from Partner Channel team. This webinar will be recorded, everyone is on listen mode only, and all your questions will be answered at the end of the webinar. In today's webinar, we will cover following topics: the brand new partner commission model, explaining how it's calculated, how the new partner program can help you raise revenue, and Filip will cover how can Resco support partner marketing endeavors both online and offline. Probably most of you attending this webinar are our existing partners who are familiar with our current partner program, which is valid since 2017. But let's recapitulate how the current program worked. Partner program was divided into two tiers. Tier 1, as a standard partnership for new deals, where we had for our partners commission 20%. Tier 2, or also called upgraded partnership, had higher commission 30%, but if these conditions are met. Upgraded after free close sales, partner activity of at least 2 sales within 12 months in order to keep the Tier 2 after the upgrade standard partnership. As you can see, or actually you cannot see because in this model was not covered commission for renewals. This was something we heard from our partners frequently. Resco is a company that listens. One example for that is our product inspections, which was created based on our partners' feedback. Similarly, in this case, we have created a new partner program which gives partners a chance to be eligible to get a commission. So, dear partners, let me introduce you a new partner commission model. The main idea of the new partner program is looking at the partner performance, which can be also seen in revenue. We have created 3 tiers, telling us of how much the revenue increased by comparing 2 previous years expressed in percentage. So tier 1 says if the revenue increase is less than or equal 5%, the partner is not eligible for commission for renewals. 5% is really low when you calculate, and most of our partners will more likely to get tier 2. Tier 2 is when revenue increase greater than 5% and less than or equal to 20%. In this case, will partner get 10% commission for renewals. But if the revenue increase is more than 20%, then the commission for renewals will be 15%. Now we are in tier 3. Now, let's have a look how this will work. For better imagination, I would use this visualization board. Here you can see the years of partnerships, called by colors as well, just for better explanation. Orange year, green year, yellow year, or gray year. In the first year, calling it orange year, you will get obviously only new deals. And for them is and always will be 20% commission. What will happen when we will move to the second year? We are calling it green year. Only this year, you will get 5% commission for renewals. This is because we understand that some projects can take longer. No matter how many new deals you will have this year, 5% commission for renewals is yours. Compared to our current program, this is something what we would like to boost, give you a year of security. When we will move to the following year, 2022, calling it yellow year, in this point the partner program starts working, as we mentioned before, commission on renewals based on partner performance. So let's say we are in June 2022. Now we are going to compare 2 previous years, so green year and orange year. We will find out that the revenue increase in green year is 8%. Then when we look to our tiers to find out that 8% revenue increase is tier 2, and partner is eligible for 10% commission for renewals. So then, upcoming renewals in yellow year will get 10% commission. So renewal 3 will get 10%, renewal 1 will get 10%, renewal 2 10%, but new deals again 20%, and so on. Renewal 10%, renewal 5 10%. Now let's have a look on some examples. We have here partner Alias, who is our partner since 2019, when he had also his first orders. So now he is in the second year of partnership. If you remember in our visualization, it was green year, right? In that case, his commission for renewals will be 5%. Now let's have a look on partner Vice, who is with Resco since 2018. In this case, we are going to compare previous 2 years, 2018 and 2019. In 2018 was his revenue 5,000 euros, and in 2019 the revenue was 6,500 euros. By this calculation, we have found out that the revenue increased by 30%, which means that we are in tier 3. So partner will get commission for upcoming renewals of 15%. Let's just go back quickly to the visualization. So for example, now we will find out that for partner Vice, he will get 15% commission. Upcoming renewals, renewal 3 will get 15%, renewal 1 will get 15%, and so on. So how the new partner program help you raise a revenue? There are 2 main points to remember. Retain an existing customers, so to keep already existing renewals, and bringing new deals, or at least the one which will increase revenue by 5%. So this was our new partner program. I hope even through the screen and my guidance, you have understood it well, but if not, you can always reach me on this email address. I would be more than happy to arrange a call with you where I would explain it in more details. Now my colleague Filip will tell you more about marketing support for our partners. Filip?
Thank you, Petra. I'd start off by saying that the topic I'm about to cover today is on the agenda thanks to you, our implementation partners. We always try to listen to what you are saying, requesting, and recommending in all areas of business, from influencing our roadmap to marketing. And when it comes to this area, a topic that came up a lot has been co-marketing. So let's take a look at what Resco can do to help you market and, as a result of that, sell mobility to your customers. This presentation is supposed to give you a quick overview of what's available, and you can expect to get more information via email in the upcoming weeks. So what are the benefits of co-marketing with Resco? First of all, you would get more exposure, access to resources. This means access to such things as our know-how, marketing lists and tools, and financial resources. Extending current market reach. Co-marketing with Resco in your market provides access to consumers that your company may have not yet reached, or gives additional legitimacy to you with existing customers. Expanding into new markets. Geographically, Resco has a global footprint, but also in the business sense, we have audiences interested in CRM, mobility, field service, and innovation. So you are bound to expand into some new markets with our help. Establishing credibility. By associating with one of the global leaders in enterprise mobility, you will elevate your brand's visibility as a leader in the industry. And better SEO. More published content will improve your SEO, boosted even further by Resco's presence and keywords. Okay, so now that we have that out of the way, let me share what Resco offers and in which areas of marketing. Of all the different options that I'll be talking about, we can divide them into area of digital innovation, and event marketing. And when it comes to type of exclusivity, into standard and special packages. So standard packages are available to all signed partners for free and don't require any special criteria to be met. These packages are Resco website listing. You will be listed among our valued partners so that customers can find you based on location and technologies you work with. Microsoft Dynamics, Salesforce, or both. Press release. This can be used to announce the partnership itself or to communicate a mutual strategic initiative, for example. Partner marketplace. If you have a custom solution, which is specialized for a certain industry or use case, you can list it here where prospects can find it. Partner spotlight. When you create an interesting piece of content, we can share it in our newsletter or publish on our blog. Case study or success story. When you make a customer happy, we will help you write a case study or success story about it, and of course, promote it. And a joint webinar. We will host it and promote it among our customers in our newsletter and social media. And special packages. These require either splitting the cost and or to meet certain criteria, such as number of successfully implemented Resco projects and or certificates obtained in Resco Academy. They are from the area of digital marketing, paid LinkedIn advertising. As you know, LinkedIn is the largest professional network in the world with over 600 million professionals. So personalized, targeted ads will bound to reach the right customers for you. Case study, success story, but in a video form. In the standard packages, we offer a text version of a case study, but here we will take it a step further and make a video of the customer on site, and we will handle everything from preparing the script and handling the production and promotion. Email marketing. We have a large and valuable list of contacts that we've built over the years, which you will be able to directly reach with your message and content of choice. In the area of innovation marketing, we offer two very interesting packages. And that is the landing of an exclusive pair of mixed reality headset, Microsoft HoloLens, and smartwatches. Both will come pre-installed and pre-configured with Resco apps. In the area of event marketing, we will help you organize, finance, promote, and facilitate your local event, which should be focused on business mobility, digital transformation, modern workplace, and Resco, and of course, oriented to customers. Also, we can host and promote your webinar and target specific companies with different marketing and prospecting tools that we have. Resco has more than 500 partners. Because of this, we aren't able to provide each and every one with special co-marketing support. That's why we came up with a system of who and what will be prioritized so that we keep things fair and transparent. There are two components to this: partner activity and campaign focus. First thing we'll do is look at who the partner is and look at things such as how long has he been with us, how many successful implementations he has, how many trainings has he attended, and how many people does he have certified or actively getting educated in Resco Academy. Then we'll take a look at what will the project focus be. As you probably know, Resco inspections and innovation have been two of the biggest themes for us in the past year, and thus will be given priority. When we say innovation, we mean implementation of Resco to wearables, such as mixed reality headsets and smartwatches. Then advanced JavaScript customizations that greatly extend the functionality of the app. And usage of features such as artificial intelligence. So these will be the main guidelines. So what's next? Like I mentioned in the beginning, this presentation was meant to give you a quick overview of the possibilities. Obviously, co-marketing is a big initiative, so detailed information about each package will be made available to you in the upcoming weeks via email. This means information about specific package details, benefits, and requirements. But of course, if you already have an idea for a co-marketing project, we'd love to hear it, so please write us at partners@resco.net. That concludes my part, and that means we can go to your questions, if there are any. I don't see any yet, so I'll give you a few moments to maybe write something if you'd like to ask us now.
So we have a first question. Who will handle renewals? Does the partner handle this or Resco? So basically, from what I showed, the renewals are going to the partner. So the commission will go to the partner again. We will actually notify you before as I showed you, for example, the June, when we signed a new agreement, let's say, or the agreement at all. Then the 1 month or 3 weeks before this time, we will notify you that you are eligible for the commission based on what we calculate 2 year, what I explained to you, the commission based on the partner performance. So we will compare 2 previous years. So I hope I answer it. If not, I can reach this person after the webinar, and we can also arrange the call if that will be okay. So maybe we'll wait for another questions.
So looks like there aren't any more questions. In that case, we would like to thank you for your attention and wishing you a nice day.
Thank you all.